Hello guys, this video for the understanding the November monthly quiz. So listen carefully and I hope there's some improve your understanding the November monthly quiz. So uh, let's begin. There's some videos. Number one, there's some similar two triangles. Some there's some small right rectangular triangle, and I can also using the more bigger right angle triangles. So the L to the L plus D equal to 5 to 12. So always the inner product of two inner terms are equal to product of the outer terms. So 5L plus 5 is equal to 12L. So 7L equal to 5D, where L equal to 5 over 7D. Okay. Number two, there's some cubic equations, and fx is cubic equation, and the fx the reading coefficient are negative. So here's x-axis, minus 2 and 0 and 3 are here. Put into the x equal to equal to x 0, then y also 0. So this function pass through the origin. So and all these terms are linear. So pass through the negative 2, 0 and 0, 0 and 3, 0. That's it. Okay. Number three. You should be some first. You should be factorizing this quadratic function. So fx using the sum and the multiple. So x minus 1 and x minus 3. Here is the 1 1 and 1 3 and minus minus like this. So here is the fx, and this need one more transform. There's a perfect square. So x minus 2 square minus 1. So using 2 and nothing, using the general form, the x square minus 4x plus 3. So we should be used the R3 form of this quadratic functions. So first, we already know that this function pass through the 0, 3, where this function got us some y-intercept equals 3, and here's the 2 comma minus 1, his vertex, and 1 0 and 3 0 are equal to x-intercept or the root. So looks like this. Here's 1 and here's 3, and here is 2 minus 1. So the condition, you should be check the conditions. You should be including the vertex and x and y intercept. So you should be including all these 4 points. Okay, number 4. And this function cubic equation and the leading coefficient are negative. So this function looks like this. So here's x-axis, and but there's only 2 roots, cause at x equal to 3, this function the tangent to the x-axis. So here's 3, pass through the minus 2, 0, and the tangent at x equal to 3, and put it into x equal to 0, then minus 9 times 2 equal to minus 18. So here is y-axis and 0, minus 18. So this is answers. Number 5. From the number 5, a little bit complicated. You really be aware of this some process of the calculators. So cubic fx and using the synthetic divisors and -1 and 7 and -16 and 12. So maybe 2 can be, so -1 and 2, -2 and 5 and 10 and -6 -12 equal to 0. And one more time, x equal 2 and -1 and -2 and 3 and 6 equal to 0. So at the result, minus x x minus 2 and x minus 2 one more time, and minus x plus 3 is fx. So factoring out the negative equal to minus x minus 3 and x minus 2 square. Okay, so here's y-axis and here's x-axis, and 2 or 3. Here's 2 and here's 3, and at x equal to 2, these functions are tangent and the reading coefficient are negative, so this function looks like this. So at x equal to x equal to are tangent and pass through the x equal to 3, and put into x equal to 0, then minus 3 plus 3 and times 2 equal to 12 here, so 0, 12. Okay, number 6, and so 1 minus 2 plus 30 and minus 44 plus 24, so 2 1 2 minus 7 minus 14 and 16 plus 32 minus 12 and minus 24 and 0. Okay, one more 2 1 and 2 and minus 5 and minus 10 and 6 and 12. Okay, so one more 2. Okay, 1 and 2 and minus 3 and minus 6 are 0. So x minus 2 cube x minus 3, here is fx. Okay, so here's x-axis and here is y-axis. There's a 2 x-intercept, x equal 2 and x equal 3, and x cube, so and stop it and pass through and pass through. Like this. Here is the wow, like this. Okay. Okay, so put it x equal 0, minus 8 times minus 3 equal to 24, so equal 0, 24. Okay, that's it. So here is x minus alpha, here is x minus alpha square, or x minus to the fourth, x minus 6, okay, are even numbers. Here is x minus alpha cube, or the fifth and seventh are odd numbers, even, odd. Okay, and number 7, so the seat capacity 50,000 spectators with a ticket price set at $14. Average attendance at the recent game. Total incomes are $14 times there's a 19,500 people. That is total incomes. Okay, but a market survey indicate that for each dollar the ticket price is lowers each dollars. So 14 minus x, that means dollars, $1, $2, x dollars, like this. And average attendance increase by 1,000. So 9,500 plus 1,000 people. Okay, but you should be add some condition, cause put into the x equal to 5.5, then so x do not can exceed 5.5, cause at x equal to 5.5, then 9,500 add 5,500 equal to 50,000 spectators. Okay, so the x can exceed 5.5. Okay, let's go. So expanding these two equations, negative 1,000 x squared plus 4,500 x plus 14 times 9,500. Okay, you don't need the calculator, cause we just want to know what the price. So you do not need to the 14 times 9,500 blah blah blah. It's okay. You don't need to calculate it. Okay, and so now the factoring out the negative 1,000 and negative 1,000 x squared minus 45 divided by 10. So canceling the 5. So 9 over 2x. Okay, and plus 9 over 4 square minus 9 over 4 square. Okay, and plus some numerical numbers are there. Okay, anyway, so negative 1,000 x minus 9 divided by 4 square plus 1,000 times 9 divided by 4 square plus 14 times 9,500. Wow. Anyway, so this quadratic equation looks like this. Here's x equal to 9 divided by 4, and do not over exceed x equal to 5.5. So this can just available some quadratic function. Anyway, the maximum value is x equal to 9 divided by 4. So 10,014 minus 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 equal 9,42825. So answer is $11.75. Okay, thank you. And number 8. So on rational function fx given, the sketch the graph of the fx. So first of all, the really easy to find the two intercept. First of all, here is the 0 point negative 3 over 2. and here is 1 comma 0 like this. So divide by 3x minus 3 divide by x plus 2 equal to x plus 2 3 and minus 9 here. Okay, so we can now know the asymptote line. Here's x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. Okay, so that's what we want the four informations: 2 intercept and 2 asymptote. So here's y-axis, here's x-axis, here's minus 2, x equal minus 2, here is y equals 3 asymptote, and 0 point minus 3 over 2, here's 1 comma 0. So answer is looks like this. Okay, thank you. Number 9. So put into x equal to 55. So x plus 1 plus 1 over y equal to 1 over 55. So 1 over y equal to 1 over 55 minus 1 over x equal to the, you make the some common numerators, 55x, x minus 55. So y equal to x minus 55 and 55x is equal to x minus 55 plus 55 and the 55 square. Okay, so anyway, this function looks like this. Some 55 y equal to 55. So and passing the 0.0 and here. Okay, so number 1. So what happened to the focus in the distance? Why as the object moves far away from the rand? So as the y value are decreasing, as the y 1 value decreasing, the x value decreasing, and as the y value approach infinity. Infinity means a really large numbers. The x value continues moves to approach 55. Okay, and the number 2 is almost same. So what happened to the focus in the distance? Y as the object moves close to rand. So conversely, the y value decrease, then the x value increase. And when the y value becomes extremely close to 55, the x value diverges to infinity. Okay, this is number one's answer, this is number two answer. Actually, you do not need to following my answer. Just one of some example of the equation, the answer. Okay. And anyway, the x and y are some inverse proportions. Y is in inverse proportion to x, so. And that is just one of the example answers. Anyway, number 10. So here's fx, and find their inverse fx. The y equal to 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 3, or sometimes x plus 3 plus 2 minus 9. Okay. Number 11. So f inverse x divided by 2 equal to x minus half minus 3 over 2x minus 2. So y inverse equal to x plus 3 over 2 and plus half x minus 2. Okay. Sorry, it should be 1. So a equal to half, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 3 over 2. Okay. 12. So fx equal to 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. So you 1 using the synthetic divisors, 1 and 1 and minus 5 and 6 and 6 and 0. Okay. So 2, 1 and 2 and minus 3 and minus 6 are 0. So fx equal x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 and x minus 3. So we can, in cancelling the 2, so the remained x minus 2. But x is not 1 and x 3. Okay. Anyway, the f, so the y equal to fx divided by gx equal to x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Okay. So here is x and here is y. This also the x minus 3, x minus 3 plus 1 and plus 1. Okay, so here's 3 asymptote, and here's 1 asymptote, and pass through the two over 3, and here is 2. Okay. Sorry. So this is our final answer. Okay. So 0, 2 over 3 and 2, 0. Okay. 3 more questions. Okay. So put x equal to 1, and so sorry, 1 minus a plus b plus 2 equal to 0, because the factors, and 4a and minus 2b plus 6 equal to 0, because x minus 2 is also a factor of this equation. So here is minus a plus b equal to 3 times 2, so minus 2a plus 2b plus 6 equal to 0, right? So Add 2, the 2a plus 12 equal to 0, a equal to minus 6, and b equal to absolutely minus 9. Okay. 14. So that means f minus equal to 2 and f2 equal to minus 5. Okay, so fx divided by x plus 1 and x minus 2, the quotient, plus some ax plus b, because we divide by the quadratic equation, so the remainder will be less than linear. So put it to x equal negative 1 minus a plus b equal to 2, and put it x equal to the 2a plus b equal to minus 5. So minus subtract 2 equation, minus 3a equal to 7, a equal to minus 7 over 3, and b equal to minus 1 over 3. So the remainder equal to rx equal to, answer is negative 7 over 3x minus 1 over 3. Okay, last question. So f inverse x equal to gx. Okay, so g0 equal 5 means f5 equal to 0. So x and y exchange, then that means the inverse function of that function. Okay, inverse of that function. So f2x plus 1 equal to 8x. Okay, so I want to find some h inverse x equal to lx. Okay, lx, and I want to find L0 equal to a. That means L inverse a equal to 0. So that is L inverse means hx. So h0 equal to ha equal to 0. Sorry. So put into a, f 2a plus 1 equal to ha equal to 0, and f5 equal to 0. So if the a equal to 2, then f5 equal to h2 equal to 0. So answer equal to h2 equal to 0 means L means Lx means h inverse x. So L0 equal to 2. So answer is 2. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day, and see you our last quiz, that is the final. Okay. See you the day after weeks. See you again. Have a nice day.